I'm so grateful. Is him. Oh, is that Steve?
That's John.
John.
Yeah, that's a good guy. All right, so
Okay, why?
this is. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, that's Veronica. So this is the first time I'm driving a Dakota, testing out the transmission after the valve body. We're on the way to go look at a car, so. And our driveway is longer than the snake's fart, so. Okay, here we go. Did you just get that?
No, I'm just saying. Oh, you're gonna test drive something, and now there you got the longest
All right,
line of cars waiting for you to take up the driveway at
I
what
know,
60
I know,
0?
right.
0 to 60.
You got your belt on?
No.
Put your belt on.
So, how long is this video
I
gonna
know.
be?
I finally. All right, this is the first time I'm leaving the driveway, right? And I have a line of cars. I tell you,
This is gonna be very exciting. 0 to 6.
Every
Oh, wait a minute.
she laughs like a goose.
Oh, wait, what?
So, all right. So I'm telling you, every time the damn camera's on, the shit goes wrong. All right, here, hold this. I'm going to be driving. And just, let me turn it. All right. Let's see where all these cars come from. I've never seen. All right, here we go. Here's quarter throttle. Oh, beautiful. See, before it would hang up in gear and not shift, and sometimes you'd have to put it in neutral and back down the drive as you're cruising to get it to shift out of first gear. So this has the blue Durango's valve body in it. Squirrel. That was going to go in it before I got the Cope manual reverse pattern valve body. So this has the Durango one in it, and I reprogrammed it to kind of hold the shifts a little longer, because this most likely is going to be towing, and well, I just like a higher shift anyway. So all right, that's all I got. Till next time, guys.